Yes, good morning to all of you. We have already started our chapter number 3 and we have done 3.2 exercise. Now I am just going to the exercise 3.3. In this exercise, we will study about the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. What we have done already, we also have solved the so many pair of linear equation by the graphical method only. But today we will read about the algebraic method. How many algebraic method are there to solve a pair of a linear equation? Your first method is the substitution method. And the second method is elimination method. And third is cross multiplication method. And we have already studied about the graphical method, that is the different, that doesn't include in our algebraic method. But in exercise, today we are just going to start our 3.3 exercise, that is only related to the substitution method. And what is the substitution method? In this method, as you know that the pair of linear equation is already given to you, you have to just take the value from the first equation and get the value of x from any equation and put in the second one. Okay, I am just taking the one example of this. Suppose there is x plus y equal to 4. This is your first equation, and second is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is your second equation. And by the substitution method, how you will solve it? You have to take any value of any variable. It's all your choice. Either you are taking the value of x, or it's either you are taking the value of y. I am just taking out the value of y from the first equation. From first equation, the value of y will be, taking everything on the right hand side, just left the variable y on the left hand side. Then you have 4 minus x. Since I am getting the value of variable y from the first equation, then don't put in first equation again. Okay, if you are taking from the first equation, then put in second one. If you are, suppose you are taking from the second equation, if you are getting the value of any variable from the second equation, then you have to put in first one. And if you are taking from the first one, then you are putting in the equation number 2. Here in this question, I am taking the value of y from the first equation. So put the value of y in equation number 2. Okay, so put here, put means, that means substitute. Substitute means put. So both are the same word. That's why this method is called the substitution method. Substitute and put are the same thing, say have the same meaning. So this method is known as the substitution method. Just put the value of y here, that is 2x plus 3y. Value of y is 4 minus x, that is with the multiplication with the 3. I am just writing it is equal to 12. Solve it, multiply with 3. 3 4s are 12 minus 3x is equal to 12. Okay, so 2x minus 3x, that is minus x plus 12 is equal to 12. So x is minus x is equal to 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. So value of x is 0 here. For getting the value of y, put in this equation. Y is equal to 4 minus 0. So value of y is 4. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4 are the solution of this pair of linear equation. I am just taking one more example or one more question of it. Okay, I am taking from the exercise 3.3, and the first question and second part I am taking, where the s minus t is equal to 3. This is your first one, and the second is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. If you don't like the equation in this form, you can take the LCM, whole LCM, so that it become very simplest form, that is ax plus by plus c form. Okay, so you will have 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. So your denominator will be dismissed here, and this is your second equation. Now you have the pair of linear equation. First is x minus t is equal to 3 and the second is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. Okay, I am just picking from first equation. I am just taking the value of s here. Value of s is 3 plus t. Since I get the value of variable s from the first equation, then you have to put in second equation. What is the second equation? That is 2s plus 3t equal to 36. If you are easy to put this value here, you can. Okay, it's not necessary you always take the LCM. It's all your choice. Either you can put the in this equation or in this form. Okay, both the equation are same. There is no difference, but difference of the simplification. Nothing is differ here. So put the value of s in this in the left hand side of the second equation. S plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. Multiply with 2, that is 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 6 will become on the right hand side. 3t plus 2t, you have 5t is equal to 30. So the 5 will be cancelled. Get the value of t is 6. Okay, put the value of t in this part so that you can get the value of s, that is 3 plus t. So value of s is 9. So you get the value of both variable, that is s and t. This is our pair of linear equation in the variable s and t. So you have get the value of s is 9 and value of t is 6. Okay, so this is the solution of this pair of linear equation by the substitution method. I am just taking one more of it. I am taking the fifth part, where the root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0 and the root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. This is your first and second. By substitution method, from first equation you can get the value of any variable, that is your choice, either of x and y. I am taking the value of x here, that is root 2x. Taking this term on right hand side, that become minus root 3y. Okay, so for getting the value of x divided by the root 3. So this is the value of x which you are get from the first equation. Since you get the value of variable from the first equation, then you have to put it in the second equation in place of x. Okay, so put in equation 2. Okay, add the place of x. So your equation is root 3x and the value of x is root 3 by root 2 into y minus root 3y is equal to 0. Multiply with this, root 3 into root 3 you have 3 and in denominator you have root 2. So root 8 is here, y is equal to 0. On taking LCM you have minus 3y minus root 8 into root 2, that is root 16y and whole LCM is root 2. On going on right hand side by the cross multiplication, that root 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. So you have minus 3y, root of 16 is 4, 4y is equal to 0. 0 into root 2, that is 0. Minus 3y minus 4y, that is minus 7y is equal to 0. On going on the denominator part, divided by minus 7, you will have the value of y is 0. Okay, so put on this part to get the value of x, minus root 3 by root 2 into y, put the value of y here, that is 0. So you get the value of x is also 0. For this pair of linear equation, you have the value of x is 0 and the value of y is also 0. And try the first complete part of this exercise. Thank you.